If you start using these 15 English phrases in your daily conversations from today, your English will instantly sound more natural and more like a native speaker. Maybe your English is correct, but it still doesn't feel natural when you speak. That's because real English is not just grammar. It's about using simple, everyday phrases. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you 15 powerful phrases that native speakers actually use in real life. And yes, this lesson is going to be simple, practical, and really exciting. Hi everybody, I'm Jessie, and welcome to the English Time YT, where we learn English and speak confidently. In this video, we are going to learn 15 English phrases that will help you sound more natural, fluent, and confident. I'll explain each phrase in a very simple way and give you real-life examples so you can start using them immediately. So, let's get started. The first phrase is, kind of. It means a little. It shows something is not full, just small. For example, I'm kind of tired today. And you can also say, I'm kind of tired today. Another example, I'm kind of busy right now. And friends, you can also say, I'm kind of busy right now. Next is, you know. It helps you talk in a friendly way. It helps the listener understand you better. For example, it's hard sometimes, you know. Repeat it with me, it's hard sometimes, you know. Another example is, I was really tired, you know. So friends, you can also say, I was really tired, you know. Next phrase, by the way. It means a new thing to say. You use it to change the topic. For example, by the way, did you finish your homework? Friends, repeat it with me, by the way. Did you finish your homework? Very good. Another example is, by the way, I called you yesterday. So now, you can also say it to anyone that, by the way, I called you yesterday. Next is, actually. It means the real truth. You use it to say what is really true. For example, I actually like studying English. So, repeat it with me. I actually like studying English. Another example is, I actually thought it was difficult, but it's easy. So now you can also say to anyone that I actually thought it was difficult, but it's easy. Next phrase is, pretty. It means quite good. It is more than okay, but not the best. For example, the movie was pretty good. Friends, repeat it with me. The movie was pretty good. Another example is, my day was pretty nice. So, friends, you can also say to anyone that, my day was pretty nice. Next phrase, I mean. It means I want to explain more. You use it to say something clearly. For example, it's difficult. I mean, not impossible. Friends, repeat it with me. It's difficult. I mean, not impossible. Another example, he's strict. I mean, he wants us to improve. So now you can also say to anyone that he's strict. I mean, he wants us to improve. Next is, sort of. It means almost. It is like, kind of. For example, I sort of understand this topic. Friends, repeat it with me. I sort of understand this topic. Another example is, I sort of agree with you. Now, you can also say, I sort of agree with you. Next phrase, what's going on? It means what is happening. You ask this when you want to know something. For example, hey, what's going on? Friends, repeat it with me. Hey, what's going on? Another example, what's going on here? Now, you can also say, what's going on here? Next is, hang out. It means spend time with people. You do it for fun. For example, I want to hang out with my friends. Repeat it with me. I want to hang out with my friends. Another example, we hung out at the park yesterday. Now, you can also say, we hung out at the park yesterday. Next phrase, no worries. It means it is okay. There is no problem. For example, if someone says, sorry I'm late, you can answer it with, no worries. No worries. Another example, thanks for helping me. No worries. You can also say, no worries. Next is, give it a try. It means try something. Do it once and see. For example, you should give it a try. Repeat with me. You should give it a try. Another example, give it a try, you might like it. Now, you can also say, give it a try, you might like it. Next phrase, that's it. It means finished. There is nothing more. For example, that's it for today. Repeat with me. That's it for today. Another example. That's it, I'm done. Now, you can also say, that's it, I'm done. Next is, come on. It means try harder or don't say that. It depends on your voice. For example, come on, you can do it. Repeat with me. Come on, you can do it. Another example. Come on, that's not true. Now, you can also say, come on, that's not true. Next phrase. Figure out. It means find the answer or understand something. For example, I need to figure this out. Repeat with me. I need to figure this out. Another example. She figured out the answer. Now, you can also say, she figured out the answer. Last phrase. It depends. It means not sure. The answer can change. For example, will you come tomorrow? It depends. You can also say, it depends. Another example. Are you free? It depends on my schedule. You can also say, it depends on my schedule. All right. So these were 15 English phrases that native speakers use every day. Now here's your practice. Try to use at least 3 phrases from this video and write your own sentences in the comments. Start using them in your daily conversations from today. And don't forget to subscribe to the English Time YT, where we learn English in a simple way and speak confidently. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.